Alright guys, so this is the new project right here. It's a 1984 BMW 318i, and for almost 40-year-old car, it doesn't look too bad, honestly. Pretty much kind of like a junkyard find. If I didn't take it, they were gonna scrap it. So kind of saved it. But yeah, I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I saw this one. Wasn't so bad of a price, and you know what? I just took it, even though I have all these other cars to worry about. I decided to get it because, you know, who knows when's the next time I'm gonna find a pretty good deal on one. And this condition, I mean, the interior is trash. Like, over here, it is pretty gone. Dash look like it's cracked right there. There's a bunch of dirt and debris everywhere because who knows how long this window's been open. I guess these seats aren't original, or the rear seat either. There looks like there's a bunch of rat shit all over the car. Bunch of parts. Hey, but at least we got the stock wheels. That's a bonus. Yeah, I mean, it don't look too pretty from out here. I believe it has minimal rust. I haven't seen any major rust that I'm worried about. But I guess the story behind this car is that he took it to a body shop to get a bunch of work done, and he never got the car. He never came to pick it up or anything. So I guess the car has a brand new paint job, but it doesn't have clear coat. And yeah, other than that, that's all I know about it. But yeah, guys, we are gonna convert this into something great, so stay tuned for this. Today we're just gonna clean her up from the inside. Probably gonna gut everything out for now and see what I'm gonna keep and what's salvageable and what I need to replace, or if I'm even gonna replace anything in the interior, just gut the whole thing out. I don't know yet. We'll get into it and see what's up. Well, the first thing I'm gonna want to do is pretty much take all this crap out that's in the inside. Look at that. Look at all this. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Well, let's get started. Looks like this is one of the seat belts, I guess. I do not know. From one of the seats. One of the stock wheels with, look at there. The tire blew out, looks like it. The rim still looks good. Don't see any, maybe that could be, nah, should be fine. Looks fine. I don't see any cracks or anything. That's one up. Oh, there's actually air in there. There's a jacket. Anyone want? Oh no, there's pants. Next wheel out. Right there. Oh, hell yeah. Budweiser. I'm gonna try to go grab a bag and try to clean up as much as I can. If I find anything interesting, I'll for sure let you guys know. Alright guys, this is where I'm at right now. Took out most of the trash and some stuff that was back here. I'm gonna get the vacuum and try to vacuum everything out, and then I'm gonna take the seats out. Probably gonna take the carpet out because, man, it just looks so disgusting. Well, that doesn't close. It just looks pretty disgusting. Wow, I don't know what I got myself into. Here's all the crap that I took out of it that I'm gonna have to see what to do with. This is an antenna that goes in the rear, I know that. Don't know what that is. Seat belts, has a lot of seat belts. Alright, and this is what the rear trunk looks like. Some rust, there's some rust, but it's not too bad. I could probably just grind the surface off and just spray it down with something. A lot of poop, I can tell you that. There's a bunch of shit in here, but I took it out. It was pretty disgusting. Here's most of it. Right here, box full of hardware, headlight or something. And there's a license plate. Probably search that up or something. Yeah. Don't know what to do with all this, but we'll figure it out. Oh, I think that's the handle for the glove. Oh shit. Well, I think I just broke that. Probably the glove box maybe? Let's go see. It does look like a glove box handle, but it's already on there one. Maybe put this one on, it'll probably latch on. I don't know, we'll see. Well, yeah, I'm gonna try to vacuum this all out and see where we'll go from there. Alright guys, this is where we're at. Cleaned up a little bit. Now I just took off the seat, so exposed all this other shit. Yeah, I mean, we're making progress. And here's the dash that was, told you guys that was pretty cracked. I'm trying to find any one of those. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna rip the whole carpet out. I don't know, I just don't want to deal with it. It's pretty gross. Just look at that. Ugh, gross. Rat poop everywhere. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out. And hopefully there's no rust under. Stay tuned. So, found the owner's handbook. It's pretty cool. Pretty rare item, I would assume, but it's pretty wet and beat up. That's pretty gross. And I found a spare key. I think it's for the what's it called? What you would call it? The door handles. Because I tried putting the ignition, but it wouldn't turn. Or I don't know if the wheels lock or anything. But I didn't really try. But yeah. We good with that. Hey guys, so a week has passed and we're back here with the Beamer. I got pretty fed up last week. I was tired of cleaning all this because yeah, you know, I was like, you know, whatever, I could deal with it another day. Here's where I left off. Let's put the bag here. Let me take out this bag here. Here's where I left off here. I just put everything. I just put the seats back in and I put everything else back in the trunk, so everything all mingled in the trunk. Here's where we're at over here. Let's see. Just throw that over there. Well, I'm gonna try to just take off the carpet, clean it up as best I can, and I think call it good for this video. I took off that door panel, kind of fucked it up, but you know, fuck it, it's all good. Probably end up making some metal ones or some shit. Either way, they're pretty beat up. As you can see, they're pretty creased and dirty. And well, actually, 40-year-old. I can't complain, right? But yeah. But yeah, this just gonna try to take carpet off and try to clean it up as best I can and call it good, so I could just store it in the garage. Guys, if you guys are interested in my truck build, I just installed this bumper. And if you guys are interested in that video, I will leave a link down below, or should be a little link right here or something. But yeah guys, if you guys are interested in this beast right here, go ahead and check that video out. But let's get to it over here. Take off these things. Hopefully that's how you get the carpet off. I don't know, we'll find out in the process. Now let's just try to get these screws up. Alright, cool. I don't know what that is. That's gross. Pretty disgusting. I don't know what I think it's probably like a cap, and there's probably like a screw down there below. I'm gonna go grab like a little screwdriver and try to pop that. Yes, I was correct. It was just like a little cap, so just like a little cap right there. Pop it open, expose the bolt. Just put that right there. I'm just gonna try to put everything in the glove box. Hopefully I remember which goes where, but knowing me, I'll probably forget. I don't know if I'm probably gonna have to take the whole center thing off. Well, hopefully it's not that easy, and hopefully we don't break anything. Alright guys, so here's where we're at right now. There's just a bunch of screws right here, just drilled into the body with the floor. Here's where we're at so far. Probably gonna have to take, well, at least pop that open, probably try to get it out like that. Probably just cut it or something, so I have to deal with that right now because I really don't. Well, right now I wanted to cut this wire. It's kind of annoying. Well, actually, that's right there. Well, that's right there, and this is over here. Well, never mind about cutting, but okay. Man, that's kind of annoying. Looks like they had some subs or some shit. But yeah, let's see. This probably just get rips out, and well, yeah, I'm gonna try to get that off, or else probably just get a box cutter and just start cutting my way. Alright guys, so here's where we're at now. I was able to managed to take off the carpet. It's pretty gross down here. As you can see over here, there's some rust, but at least there's no holes going straight through. Either over here, this side's a little better, like that one gonna have the window open for who knows how long of a time. But alright guys, I'm gonna try to take off as much of this as possible and vacuum it out, and probably call it good for today. To take the center, it was pretty easy. It was just this 10mm, and you just pried it, and you just pried it up from this section of it, and it just popped off, and you pretty much just had to slide it off of this boot, and it would just come right off. And over here, just this 10mm, and you just need to unplug the, I believe these are the window switches right here and right here, and the cigarette lighter, whatever thingy majiggy, and you should be able to just pop right out. Pretty easy, at least for me. But right now, let's get to it. Get the vacuum, pull this nasty stuff out, and probably call it good for today's. Oh well, alright guys, this is what I'm gonna finish off with for today. Next video, I'm gonna try to clean here up as best as possible, make it look not so gross and nasty. Try to fix that rust and everything, see if that's possible. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not, I mean, it's bad, but it's not that bad, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to clean this up as much as possible, probably take off the dash and everything, clean it up really good, and then after that, hopefully we can take that motor out. I'll probably try to start it or not. If not, it takes a lot of work. I'm not even gonna bother. I'm just gonna get it out of there. But yeah guys, this is where we're at so far. I mostly managed to fit everything in the trunk. It's pretty huge, I ain't gonna lie. Have most of the shit in here. But yeah guys, this is where we're at so far. Nothing much more to say, as in this is a long-term project and it will take a while, but you know, I'm just gonna slowly but surely guys, slowly but surely. Anything is possible as long as you're determined to do it. But alright guys,